Hi, guys. Welcome to ANV AudiFab. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step instructions on how to add Spotify music to PowerPoint on Windows or Mac easily. To get started, you'll need AudiFab Spotify Music Converter. It saves Spotify songs to MP3 or other PowerPoint-compatible formats. Here's how to use AudiFab to get Spotify music for PowerPoint. Open AudiFab, Spotify app or web player will pop up. Find your playlist, click to add. Select the songs you need, and hit Add. Go to Settings, select MP3 as the output format, adjust other settings if needed, and close the window. Click the Convert button, and your songs are ready for PPT in just a few seconds. Open your PowerPoint presentation. Go to the Insert tab, click on Audio, and then select Audio on my PC. Locate your converted Spotify track and click Insert. Adjust playback settings so the music plays automatically and loops across all slides. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.